Okay, good afternoon, Keanu. Welcome to
Yep.
today's class. Yeah, so on today we will try to conduct our lesson. So on today, Keanu, we will go for the module 5 and lesson 6. It's about the project presentation. So on here, basically, we will create presentations for these projects, Keanu. So on the last projects, though, we have already working with the map, we've created Minecraft and so on. So on today, we will try to go and try to present our projects that we created in the last week and for today. Yeah. So we will try to add that to the presentation slide, and yeah, we will try to make the presentations for
Okay.
today.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And
Okay,
before
sir.
we go, Keno, just like usual, I want to ask about your routine. How was your day, Keno? How was the week?
It was fine. Yes, it was fine. Like the term was over and my holiday is starting.
Oh, you're starting a holiday. So okay.
Yes.
So what you plan on this holiday, Keno? On this
I'm
year-end
going
holiday?
to I'm going to Japan on 17th of December, so I cannot conduct a lesson
On what
until the end
December?
of the
Sorry.
year.
Oh, until
17th of
what month?
December. 17
17.
until the end of the year.
Oh, okay. 17th of December. Okay, I see. Okay, I think because you cannot conduct the class on 17, yeah. Can we conduct the class again
Yes.
maybe tomorrow night, yeah, no? Before
I
you
think
go
I
for the
can, sir.
Japan?
Yes, I think I
Yes, you
can.
can, yeah. Okay, good,
Yes.
yeah. So we will try to conduct our class on tomorrow, yeah, Keanu, yeah.
Yes,
And
sir.
after that, you can just enjoy your holiday. Okay, thank you. And also, Keanu, maybe can you adjust your camera so it's showing you because I can't see you right now, yeah. Can you adjust the camera
Okay,
so I
wait.
can see you?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Okay, good, Keanu. Okay, so okay, let's go. Yeah. So we will try to go for the module 5 and lesson 6. It's about the project presentations. It contains about only 32 slides. Yeah. Hopefully, maybe we can finish it uh quickly. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Hopefully.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, can you see my screen, Keanu?
Yeah, I can split screen.
Okay, so it's about the project presentations, yeah, on module 5 and lesson 6 about project presentations. So we need to review three games again. So we'll try to review. So we've been working long and also hard to create our games. Before presenting that we've achieved, we will try to review the main techniques that we use in our work. What's that? So we will try to complete the task on the platform, Keanu. So let's go. Let's go. We finish the task. Can you share your screen, Keanu? Okay, so let's
Okay.
go to the task of the algorithmic. So basically on here, we will try to finish our task. It's about we need to review what we've learned so far, yeah, on these 3D games. Okay, you need to share your screen also. Okay, okay. On the 22, 22, 22. Okay,
Okay.
review 3D games. So match the name of the class to its purpose in the Minecraft project. So what is it? What's the game? We can call it game as. So game as game launch, yeah. And then once
Okay.
again, and then for map manager, what's the purpose of the map manager?
Managing the map. And the
Yes,
hero is
managing the map,
the
map manager.
keybinds.
Yes, keybinds for the controlling player. So we
Yep.
have the three correct answer for this one. Good. Okay, number two. What is a game engine? So what's the game engine, Kanu? The basis of any
Basic
program, the
software
part
for
of operating
creating.
system, or basic software for writing a computer game?
Yes.
What's the answer?
This one, the basic software for creating computer game.
Yeah, so basically the basic software for getting a computer game, yeah, for this answer. And then
Yep.
number three, let's go. We need to adjust again the line. Okay, so what's the geometry?
Okay.
It's the
Geometry is the this one.
it's the collections of vertices, yeah,
Yep.
edges, and also plans that define the shape of an object. And then what is the materials?
Is our coordinates also geometry, mister? Coordinates.
Really? So materials, what is it? Materials?
No, I'm
So
asking, mister. I'm asking, mister.
oh, you what you asking? Sorry.
Our coordinates geometry.
Yeah, why? Yes,
Okay.
yes. It's about
Okay.
the collections of vertices, edges, and plans that define the shape of an object. Okay, so that's the answer.
Information about the visual properties. Okay, wait.
Okay, and then materials. What is materials? So basically, it's the informations about the texture, yeah, basically, yeah. So this one,
Yeah.
information about the visual properties of the model. We have the colors, texture, and also reflectivity and refractive ability. And then what is
Okay.
light sources?
Okay. Information about the position, direction, power, and
Yes,
spectrum of illumination.
it's
Yes.
about the information about the position. Good. And then
Can you see
virtual
my screen,
cameras.
mister?
Good.
Can you see my screen, mister?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, 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 okay. Is my mic clear?
Yeah, yeah, your mic is clear. I think I will
Okay.
able to see your screen. Okay, each 3D object consists of we have
Okay, wait.
no we have the model and texture yeah for this one yeah. So basically,
Oh,
3D objects have the models and also textures for this one. So basically, it contains about the
like,
models and also the
oh,
textures.
the model
Okay,
is okay, okay.
yeah,
What
number
is a
five.
3D picture?
It's like a 3D picture, a picture that we can see from any angle, but that's not,
Oh,
but
oh
that's
yeah.
not part of the 3D objects. Okay,
Okay.
okay, match
This
the file
is
access
reading.
attribute with their values. R for read from the text file or from binary. We need to define that.
Oh wait, no, 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 this is wrong. This is wrong. Wait, wait, wait. Hold on. Can I? Let's just retry. Okay. Right from
WB is for
binary.
binary. Okay, good. R for read. Okay, A for
A is this one and this one.
is it
Yep.
correct? Okay, very good. Yeah, that's correct. Let's go for number
Okay.
six. Okay, print count. Okay, as you can see, count, we have the counter equal to 0 with open text file. We set as R, which is read, as file lines equal to files dot read lines. For I in range, length of the lines, we go for the string list equal lines index. We split it by using the spaces, yeah,
Space. Okay.
space. And we go for the loop again for G in range, length string list. If I equal to 2, or maybe I equal to 5, or maybe I equal to 8, or I equal to 11, it will be incrementing the
Count
count, which is integer string list. Well,
and
basically, we
then
will
the
printing
in.
the count. So what's the purpose of this, and what's the output will be? So it will be,
Okay.
so it will be,
Okay.
no,
Yeah, I
it
think this
will be,
one.
no, 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 it will
Okay.
be
Oh.
3, 6, 9, and 12 lines.
Wait, wait. Oh yeah, because index zero is index one is zero. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So basically, this one, as you can see, if I equal to 2, so it will be on here. So it will be count equal, which is count is 2 plus what is the integer string of the list? We have maybe 1, and then it will be 3. And then for the 5 also, it will be 5 plus 1 will be
Six. Oh, so it's
6.
plus one. Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
yeah, plus 1 by using this incremental of this.
Okay, mister.
Okay, number 7. Okay, what's the heading, pitch,
That's
and roll
heading,
parameters responsible
pitch,
for the
and
Panda
roll
3D?
parameters.
So what
Okay.
is it?
Okay. Roll
So
is
roll is for rolling rotations. Okay,
pitch
good. And pitch?
is pitch is what? Yeah.
Pitch is
Tilt
for Z or for Y axis.
Z.
Maybe you can guess. We have the times.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
that's wrong.
Okay. I
Yeah.
think
So yeah. So pitch is for X axis and heading for the Z
heading
axis.
is turn.
Yeah.
Oh,
Turn
because
rotations
oh yeah.
and Z axis. And then okay, let's go.
Pitch.
Number 8.
Okay.
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 Sort the methods
The
in the
load line is
classes.
yeah. This one is.
Okay. Find blocks. Okay, good.
Okay.
So
Wait.
basically,
Look at is camera
okay,
bind.
good.
Wait. Camera bind is supposed to be the map or hero. Yeah.
Mm.
Wait a minute.
It's for it's for the hero, yeah. So camera band is for the hero.
Oh,
And
because
then
it
once
is
again,
because it is the hero's properties. Yeah.
yes, camera bind. And then for
Okay.
once again, init, how about init?
Look at check. In it is what? Yeah.
Is for
What is in it again, Mister?
init is for initiate, for initiate. It's the,
Oh,
it's the
initiate. Yes, this one.
initiate, so game class. Yeah, okay, good. And then once again for the save map, okay, on the map manager, good. And check directory is for,
Check direction. Check directory is
sorry, check
not
directions. That's for directions. It's for the hero
hero.
class, yeah.
Yep.
Okay, once again, and then we have two more. We have two more.
Oh, yeah, I have two more. Yeah, yeah, two more. Two more.
Outland.
Huh?
How about look at? Look at is
Look at is hero. Okay, wait.
for hero. Okay, one more for map manager. So basically, the hero will have four, and map manager will have four.
Oh, wait, there's one more I'm missing. Yeah. Wait, wait. Huh?
Find blocks. Okay, let me count. Save map. Okay, set map. Okay, and then check dir. Have you done check dir? Okay, then init. Okay, so once
Done.
again,
Load land is done.
save
Look
map.
at.
Oh, sorry. So basically, on the map manager also have init. So basically, init we have init in every aspect,
Okay, okay, okay.
and also for the hero,
And
yeah. No, and the hero
the
also
hero
have the
is
init. Also have, so basically,
okay.
init is
Oh,
part of
so
all of them.
okay,
Okay, good.
okay, okay, okay. So global.
Yes, global. Okay. Match the method with its descriptions. Pickle dam. So what is the
Pickle
pickle dam?
dump.
It's for
Pickle dump.
pickle dam is for.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I will
Save
I will
data.
give you a hint. It's for saving or loading for dam.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, I can see your screen. Pickle.load is for. Okay, good.
Okay.
That's correct. That's correct. Subject line find all matches. It's for
Find all matches and returns a list of this one. Set tag is name is like name tag, yeah.
set tag is for. Okay, set tags. Okay. Base accept is for.
Okay. Base
It's for
accept is
binds a
for
key. Okay, for the get children.
okay. Oh,
Is it
get
correct?
children and find all matches, yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
let
okay.
let me the checklist. Okay, good. That's correct. Yeah. And then, okay, ready to present? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. So basically, that's it, yeah, for this one. It's very simple, I think, for the presentations. Okay, you can go next. I think, can you go for the number two? For number two? Yeah, for the, yeah, 22, 22, 22, and then
Wait, 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 wait.
number two. Okay, you can click this.
Game
You can click
apps.
this. Basically, you can click this. So basically, we will use this template after this,
Oh
yeah, for
yeah.
creating the presentations. Okay, can we go back again for that tab, Keanu, for the project presentation tab?
Oh, this one, yeah. Okay, wait.
Okay,
Okay.
so let's go. We go back again for the task, yeah. So on here, we will
Okay, wait, Mister.
discuss about.
Can I be wait? Can I go to the toilet?
Oh, yeah, okay, okay. Okay, you
Okay,
can.
okay. Okay, Mister. Yep.
Okay, have you done?
If I'm done.
Okay, let's go. We go back again for the presentations, yeah. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I see. I can see screen.
Okay, so we go now for discussions evaluating the competitions. So it's about developing a computer games. So it's difficult for non-programmers to succeed in the computer games industry due to the fast pace the industry develops and the complexity of creating the games. And there will usually be a whole team of different specialists working on the game. And getting into this highly competitive environment is very difficult. So, what the qualities does a game need to have to withstand the high level of competitions in the beginning? So, what we need to go and what we need to do. So, basically, it's about the individuality. Yeah? So, basically, a game will definitely interest people if there is something unique about it.
Break
And
about it.
the question now, yeah, how do people usually find out about the new games? So what's about them? So basically for this one, so we need to go for the presentation format here. So we have an ad, which is a short presentations of a product that focus on its unique features. In our last lessons, we've worked on customizing our projects, and now we just have to present our unique features in the best possible light of this. So basically, we've created the Minecraft game, Canu. So what we need to do now, we need to make presentations for this project. And then the basic principle of the presentation. So we need to start with the engaging greetings. And then we need to briefly talk about the unique features of the game, why we should definitely play it, and also it will be it will be nicely if we able to add with the end with the catchy slogan. And for the advice for this one, so we need to make it colorful. We need to use the illustrations, and then also keep it short. Yeah? So basically, we will try to probably under 45 seconds. So for this one. Okay, so now we will try to prepare our presentation. So the task for today, we will try to prepare our ads for our games by using presentations. We can also use the template there to speed up our work, and the link is on the platform. So you can just check on that for that one. Okay, let's go. We will try
Okay,
to
let's
go for
go.
making our presentations. Let's go. Can you share your screen, Ken?
Okay, wait.
Basically, you can make a copy of that.
Yep. Oh
Okay,
yeah, wait, let me share the whole entire screen. Okay, okay.
okay. Okay, you can click the link, which is the template for ads. And you
Okay,
already
wait,
opened
wait,
the
wait,
tab.
wait.
You already opened the tab anyway. Okay, that one you need to go for the file and then make a copy. File, make a copy, entire
Entire
presentations, and rename it.
presentation.
Rename it as Keanu dash. Yeah, okay, Keanu Faraska dash. No. Okay, give a space first. Space dash project presentations. Give a space. Make it proper. Don't forget to add the space again also before the projects.
Okay. Oh, okay, wait.
We can also rename it on here. Okay, maybe
Okay, okay.
dash after dash you can add the space also, yeah. Okay, project
Okay,
presentation. I
done.
think that's enough. Okay, so basically on here we will try to. Can you share the link anyway? Can you share the link and make it edit so I can also go there? No, no. To share you need to go here. Can you see my
Okay, and this
pencil
one, and
and
then
make it
remove the link and
editing? Make it editing editor and then copy the link. You can also copy the
in
link
the
for the platform,
okay.
yeah. Go to back to the task of the plat to the task and paste on here on the slide line 22, yeah, 22. File
Okay,
for
wait.
22.
One.
Aduh, 22. Okay, one project presentations and then paste on here. Send and checklist. Don't forget to checklist.
Yep, done.
Okay, good. Okay, let me see your presentation. So basically on here, again, what we will to do for today, we will try to go for creating our presentations, yeah, for today's lessons. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to add about the, maybe we will try to discuss about the Minecraft game, can. So what aspects that we will add in here. So maybe you can start with the slide one, can you go back to slide one? You can type
Okay,
your name here.
GMS.
I will make a template. Can you see my
Okay,
type?
this one is type.
Your
Okay.
name. Okay,
Okay,
type your
wait,
name
Mr.
on
Mr.
here, Keanu.
You don't need to do that. Okay, wait.
Okay. Keanu. Okay, good.
Okay, wait.
Maybe use uppercase in every. Okay, good. Like that. Okay, and then give the name of the projects. What's the name of the projects, Keanu? We discussed about the project presentations anyway. So you can also give a new name for this project. So we can also utilize ChatGPT here to help us to creating these projects.
Okay, wait. What name or what is the project going to be? The Minecraft game, right?
Yes, can you open the chat GPT? So we will try to make our game as good enough. Okay, go chat GPT and then discuss about it. Okay, first of all, what you need to do now is can you open the VS Code and copy the whole of the code of the projects of the
Oh, okay,
Minecraft?
wait.
Okay, okay, this one. So you need to copy all of this from the game.py, from the map manager.py, and once again, the hero.py. You need to copy all of that and then tell ChatGPT that you want to create the game. I think you cannot do that. You need
Hmm.
to copy the code, not copy the file. Kiana. What you just doing is you are copy the file. We cannot do that. You need to copy the code. Then you go back again and copy the whole of the code. Maybe starting from the hero.py, okay, copy and brain paste. Give the name game.py. It's the game of the py file. Game, okay, file. Tell ChatGPT it's the game.py file, and then it's the hero.py file. So the
Okay, wait.
ChatGPT will know. Copy and
What are we
then
trying to do here, Mister?
you need to tell the ChatGPT. Okay, maybe can we start
Okay.
from the very beginning? Can you delete all of this?
Why?
Okay, okay, that's okay. Okay, good. Okay, hero.py and then one more code, which is map manager.
Okay.
Copy all of this until the very top, yeah. Okay, good. And then copy
Okay.
and paste this. Have you pasted this?
Yep, I already did.
Okay, so tell ChatGPT. So I want to create the game. So hello ChatGPT, I want to create a game.
Okay, then.
Just type maybe. I want to create a game presentation slide.
Okay, what are we asking?
Not we're not asking. We need to type something like that. You need to type like this. Okay. Hello ChatGPT, I want to make a game likely Minecraft by using this code. So basically this code consists of three of files. We have the game.py, we have the hero.py, and also have the map manager.py. So you need to tell about
Okay,
the
control
game. What's
type.
the game looks like? So maybe you can say the game is interactive. We can move the game by using the WASD. We can also adjust the camera positions. We can adjust the angle and so on. You need to tell about that every aspect. You need to tell it in detail. And let ChatGPT
Okay.
to make the presentation slide for you. And also maybe the good title for this, yeah. You can also say that this game is looks like the Minecraft, but I want to give it a best title for this, but not Minecraft, yeah. So maybe we have the another name for this, maybe build blocks, maybe for the game, the game name, and so on.
Okay, done.
Maybe can you make it more interactive? I think that's very simple.
Okay.
Make it. I think you need to type some more, yeah. Okay, you need to tell that
Game is an interactive
you
project.
want to make project presentations, yeah, because on here, if you don't spell that, it will not make it a project presentations. And to make a game like the Minecraft prototype, the game is interactive. Project presentation, I think in the last part. So on here for a project presentation slide. Okay, so the game is an interactive project, and I would like name recommendations. Please give me name recommendations and what aspect that I need to add on my presentations. I need to add on my presentations.
Okay, done.
Okay, just hit enter maybe. So let ChatGPT help you.
Okay.
So basically, if you want to ask something about to ChatGPT, so what we need to do now is you need to make it detailed. As you can see, it just only suggesting you, but it's not greeting you. So what you need to do now? You need to ask ChatGPT, please help me create the presentations based on the aspect that I've sent to you. give me a title and uh, give me the slides, the content of the slides that I need to add to my project presentations.
Okay, wait. Since we have this,
Okay, maybe we can retype again if you want. You can also add the image anyway, for make it more good and also interactive. You can also add the image for this one, Ken.
can we
But
okay. Okay, wait. Okay, and then we also add the image, which is okay, wait. And we
you can also add an image on this one.
okay,
So my advice, Ken, for the presentation slide, so you need to make it more detailed. So basically make it more detailed, give the graphic, give the photos of the projects, and give the aspects what we add on these projects, what makes your project is, what makes your project is different from the maybe the competitors and so on. So you need to add that also.
wait, wait. Okay,
Okay. Okay,
okay,
so
wait.
we
I think the
can come up
screenshot of
with
the
the
game should
praise.
be wait a minute.
Okay, as you can see, hi, you can come up with the praise. Hi, I am Keanu. You can give the greetings for this. Hi, I'm Keanu. I'm the creator of the game.
Okay, okay, okay.
You can also maybe ask ChatGPT to help you for creating this. So basically, it will be more, I think, more cheerful, more interactive, and so on. So you can ask also ChatGPT to help you. Keanu.
Okay, okay, done.
Have you done? We have a
Yep.
project that mimics the backbone of Minecraft, full program with keybinds and map with detailed integrations. Okay, good for the slide two. And go, maybe for the slide three.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, you can also maybe ask ChatGPT to help you, can you? So make it more interactive. And to help you adjust it, you can also ask ChatGPT to help you to make it better, I think.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, slide three, you should define play
Flip.
my game because of what? You need to tell. Maybe can you
Okay.
maybe can you type it on ChatGPT, Keanu? So let ChatGPT
Okay.
also add the emojis. So you need to type what it makes someone need to play my game.
Okay.
That makes someone encourage someone to play my game. You can also add that. Okay. To play my game, you can tell it. Maybe you can tell it briefly. Maybe can you scroll down? No, I mean you need to tell first. Maybe you type my game is Very chill to play,
Okay,
very fun to
wait.
play. It's
Okay, wait.
multiplayer.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait.
And let
Okay, wait. I
ChatGPT
think I
it.
already get the idea. Okay, wait.
Okay. Okay, aspects. It make it. It senses it from just being a block. Okay.
No, okay, wait. Okay, wait.
HPLV design. Okay. Your freedom. Customize the map. And okay. Okay. Free movement to all.
Okay.
Okay. Free movement in bold.
Okay, and then
Okay, free movement once
freedom.
again.
And then
You can also anyway add some graphics here. Maybe you can add the picture or maybe the emojis. That's all up to you. So I think for
okay.
make it more interactive and colorful, you can also add.
Okay.
Okay, you done for the slide 3? Okay, system
Okay,
that
wait.
adds. Okay, good.
A virtual camera system
Yes, virtual system that adds. Okay, what's
that adds okay.
adds preferences to the game.
Okay, done. Oh, feature one, feature two, feature three. Okay, okay.
Okay, so tell the feature 1, feature 2, and feature 3 that we have on this Minecraft game, Ken. So what feature? Maybe can you spell it? If you confused, you can ask ChatGPT
Okay.
also, yeah, to help you. Let's go. Add.
I don't really like AI. Okay, wait. And this is okay, there is a feature.
Reshaping the map. Okay. With adding and destroying blocks. Simple guideline. Okay. Need to build the block. Okay. Destroy blocks.
Hey,
Again. improves creativity, skills as users construct and build whatever they want, okay, with no limitations, means no build.
Okay. Okay, done, sir. That is the
Then,
first one.
what the
Yep.
second feature? Movement, okay.
Okay.
Okay, just walking smarter where the only possible directions is horizontal, further allows the first point
Okay, two.
to
Okay. This further allows the first point
what?
to mm, wait. Okay. Is this enough, sir?
Anything that you want to add again for the
Nope.
okay, nope. Let's go to the 6 slides, I think. Let's about the feature three. Allows switching between first person and complete representation of the map. Okay, and whatever edition the user, okay, builds. Okay, build what?
Mm,
Gives for the illustration. Okay, once again.
Mm,
Okay, once again. Allow switching between first person and complete the presentation of the map and whatever additions the user implements. Okay,
okay, done.
done. Okay, the last slide. My game will be even more fun than in public games. Okay, you need to give the slogan again for the game.
Okay, wait, let me
So
ask GPT.
again, ask ChatGPT for this.
Oh, wait, I think. Okay, okay, done.
Done.
Yep.
Okay, good. Okay, so can you present it to me here? Can you make it full screen and present to me? Maybe I
Okay,
will
how
give
do I
you
make it
five
full
minutes.
screen?
Click the slideshow. Click the slideshow on the top right. Okay, so what you need to do is now you need to present my screen.
How, Mister?
Click the slideshow. Click the slideshow on the top right again.
Oh, yeah, okay, okay.
Oh, okay, let's go. Do the presentations for
Yes,
a couple of
Assalamualaikum
minutes.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so my name is Kiana Farzka Imam, and then, okay, my name is Kiana Farzka Imam, and today I will be presenting my algorithmic projects, which is a 3D fully interactive prototype that mimics the aspects of Minecraft. Okay, so what is my project about? It is basically a 3D project that is like a Minecraft-like prototype, and it's fully programmed with keybinds and map that's interactive to tinker with. That means you can build and destroy blocks. Okay, wait. Uh, wait. Ini, how do I move on to the next episode? Okay. Oh.
Just next.
Hmm. Okay, wait.
You can also use the keyboard anyway.
Okay,
Can
okay.
the left, the right.
Yeah.
Move.
And secondly, this is why you should play my game. My game contains certain aspects that differentiates it from just being a blocky game that is purely purpose for design, as it contains firstly, pure freedom to customize the map, enhancing creativity, free movement in both Y and X axes, a virtual camera system that adds preferences to the game. Which the camera systems are either first person or third person.
Okay.
And the first feature that I'll be expanding on is the map customization. It allows full control in shaping the map with the feature of adding and destroying blocks. A simple guideline to this feature is basically B to destroy to build blocks and V to destroy blocks. It sounds simple, right? It also improves creativity skills as users can construct and build whatever they want with no limitations. It means no build limit and allows for freedom of imagination of their mind. Okay, so the next feature I will be talking about is the freedom of movement. This enables total movement, meaning that the game isn't just a walking simulator where the only possible direction is horizontal, and allows for map exploration and adds purpose to our first feature, which is map customization. And for the final feature that I'll be talking about is our virtual camera system. This allows switching between first person and a complete representation of the map that the user is playing and whatever addition the user implements. This camera system is very useful for illustrating a full visualization of the user's hard work builds, providing the player with a sense of achievement. And this is my slogan: shape the world
Ship.
one block at a time. Okay,
Okay, good.
thank
So
you.
what's the meaning, Ken? What's the meaning of that slogan?
That means it can it can show the user that they are free to build whatever they want and that they don't need apa ya ini boleh di BI gak boleh di bahasa Indonesia gak
Yes, yes, yes.
jadi kayak boleh bebas gitu tanpa kayak tutorial yang susah gitu
Okay,
they don't need like full knowledge on how to build they just have to try.
okay, good. Overall, good, Ken, for presentations. Maybe the addition for the presentations, I think maybe you need to make it like a point, Ken, yeah. Make it like a point for the presentation slide, and
um
also for every aspect, I think, yeah, for the slide 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, and give like the emojis, give the emojis, and also I think the
okay.
picture, because I think your presentations, the content is already good, but what we can adjust and make it more perfect is you can add some likely the graphics, like the picture of the game, or maybe picture of what, and so on. Because as you can see, yeah, we have so many empty space on the slide 4, 5, and 6, especially. Can you see that?
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
because I
wait,
think,
wait. Yep.
yeah, I think you can make like the emojis, emoticon. You can add
I
that to
think
here. So
I think I will show the coding process, yeah.
yeah, you can also do the coding process. You can also add that for them. But maybe that's for the next. That's okay. But I think that's already good enough. Maybe it's the future. Yeah, you can use this anyway for the maybe for the final projects presentations in the next. But for today, we will try to move again to the slide deck anyway. Yeah. But so far, I think it's already good. You can also add the some content of the graphics from the maybe Pixabay, maybe
What?
another external parties. You can go for Pixabay and find for the image for the Minecraft. You can copy that and paste on here.
What is
So
Pixabay?
Pixabay,
Okay, wait.
Pixabay,
Okay.
Pix, Pixabay. So that's one. So basically, it's about the free image that we can use to our presentation slide. You can find maybe like the Minecraft or maybe a blog and so on.
Oh, this one, yeah. Okay, wait. Yeah, okay, I like this one. Okay, wait.
Yeah, you can copy that kind of. Yeah. So it will make our game more looks like the cheerful, looks good enough. So I think when you present it, someone will see it better, and yeah, will happy, yeah, to see your presentations like. Okay,
Wait. Okay. Okay.
okay, okay. Maybe you can also adjust this. Maybe yeah, after presentations. Yeah. Okay, can we go back first on the my slide, Piano? I think you can
Yep,
do it
okay.
after this, yeah, individually. I think that's already good enough. You just need to add that aspects, and maybe you need to also adjust your text. Yeah, maybe you can ask ChatGPT to help you, so it will be more cheerful, and you can add some likely emojis and so on. So basically, it will looks good enough. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now our discussion is about the feedback. So anyway, Keanu, what is feedback in your mind?
Feedback is like a reflection given to me, not like my own self-reflection.
Okay, the reflections that given
Like
to you
given by someone's
by
critique.
someone critics. Okay, it can be positive, or maybe it can be also maybe negative, but most likely
Yep.
feedback is positive. Okay, so basically feedback is directions to an event, presentations, or maybe actions. And why it's important to get the feedback after doing something. Let's see, it's important. So basically, by adding feedback, likely I give you feedback, and you will help you understand the strength and also the weakness of your work. Yeah. So maybe like your presentations, just you present before of it. So I give you feedback that your presentation is good, but you need to likely you add something that you need to add so it will be more cheerful and looks good. Yeah, that's basically the part of the feedback. So first,
Okay.
feedback should be constructive. So we need to have the pros and cons are clearly highlighted, and ways to solve problems are suggested, and also it must be positive. So the best to start and also end what we can say with the positive points. And we need to also check yeah, the audience. Okay, so is the audience always ready to give the kind of feedback? So basically, for the feedback request itself, developers don't always fully understand what is that attracts users to their products. So after we present the presentations, we can also specifically ask for feedback from the audience. So maybe when you have present your slides keynote to the audience, to the main audience, you can ask their feedback. So you need to feedback about what's the pros of your products, what the cost of your product, so you can make some improvement for the next. And how can we request the feedback? So we can request positive feedback by asking the following questions. First, what did you really like about the game? So maybe you can ask about the Minecraft game that you just created, and would you like to play my game? And why you want to play my game? And what unique features of my projects caught of your attention? So you can also ask this. So basically, someone will give you some feedback. Yeah? So maybe, oh, the game that you've created it's different from the Minecraft because the game of your created piano, you have the capability to change the view, the camera angle, and so on. But on the Minecraft, that's not. So that's make the it unique, and I love to
Okay.
play your game. So that's part of the technique also. Okay, but the question now, with the response always be positive, is there a benefit to getting criticism as feedback? We can say it's not always positive. Yeah, it can be also negative anyway. Criticism feedback helps the presenter understand where their areas growth are. It can be useful to specifically request this kind of feedback, as you can see. So how can I make my product better? What missing in my game that would make I want to play it, and also what will we need to change about my game? So what you need to add, what you need to maybe delete or remove, and so on. So basically, you can know this when you already asking about feedback. Okay, so we need to provide examples feedback. Okay, so maybe can you give me some feedback, like how to make a feedback and what the feedback looks like? Can you give me example feedback?
I cannot give direct example with if there's no project,
Okay,
but like it highlights the pros and cons, and then it's constructive. Yes,
okay, first concept.
basically like that.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. Yeah, but that's okay. But you don't give me example, but that's okay. That's part of the explanations of what feedback looks like. Okay, so basically the project presentation must be an ad for your project. Yeah, so basically you need to present your projects that you're already doing anyway. Yeah, for this 2 days lessons, you need to also sharing experiences and collecting the feedback. Yeah, maybe on the last slide you can also add some slide piano that uh, add some maybe asking about something, any questions like that, or maybe if you have any feedback, you can go to the link, or maybe you can give the barcode. Yeah, if you want to have the another constructive feedback. So while someone see your presentations, it can give you feedback about your projects. And then promote your feedback. Yeah. So we need to, as you can see, we need to only have 1 minute to promote our projects by using presentations. So it's like a pitching in a way. And the purpose of our ad is to attract potential users to our game. And the listener task for this one, so it will try to evaluate the ads from the perspective of the potential user and give the feedback as requested by the presenter. So basically, we have the two kinds of audience, two kind of the people on here. We have the presenters, which is you on here, and listener. So basically, me as a listener, I listen about your presentations, and then also have the commercial break. Don't forget to share
Okay.
impressions and also feedback, ya. So discuss the previous presentations. So basically, it's presented as for positive and maybe negative feedback on their projects and participates in the discussions of their college's projects. So when we have maybe we have another friend on our class, you can also ask about the positive and negative feedback from their perspective. But because you private and you have me, so I will give you positive and negative. Yeah, just like in the previous, I give you about the what are the good about your projects and what you need to add to your project, so it will be more good enough. And that's it, yeah. So we already did a good job today, yeah, promoting our projects and presenting the outcome of many days hard work on our work for the first 3D games. Okay, so this is kind of the module, Ken. Yeah. So in the next week, we will try to go for the introduce, yeah, a new and also very popular, nice among programmers. We will go to for the web development, Ken.
Web
Okay.
development. Okay.
Yes. Until
Yep.
here, any questions, Ken, before we finish our today's class?
Nope.
No, okay. So basically, what we've learned for today. So we've learned about the project presentations, especially about the projects that we've already finished. Yeah. So we finished about the Minecraft game that you've created in the previous week, and now what we have and what we've created for today, we've created the project presentations, yeah, about that game. So basically, now we can also expand our game to maybe the more audience, so our more audience will know about your game, and maybe hopefully also able to play your game and buy your game, Keanu. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Before we finish,
Okay,
Keanu, just
Mister.
like usual, can you give me some summarize what you've learned for today, what you've got for today's
Okay,
lesson,
we
Keanu?
basically made the project presentation for the Minecraft prototype project. Yep.
Okay, so we've created the prototype for the Minecraft presentations projects. Okay, very good. Yeah. Don't forget to continue again, maybe Keanu, to make it better. I think you can continue your presentation slide so it will be more good and better, yeah, to see
Yep.
and someone to present and to see your presentation slide. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, maybe that's it, Keanu. Thank you so much for joining today's class. Hopefully, it will be good enough for you, yeah, for your knowledge. That's it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next lesson, Keanu. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you.